Hi, my name is Sasha Narindra,
And I'm Narindra Bought.
and we're from the sunny Caribbean island of Trinidad and Tobago. Our journey here in Prince Edward Islands is an interesting one to say the least, and we're so glad to have the support of 21st Century Realtors.
We came to Prince Edward Island because Sasha got accepted to do her PhD at the University of Prince Edward Island.
And the experience for me was one that, where to begin, what to do, who we could get support from.
So we contacted Sasha's uncle, Keith. Then he contacted 21st Century and got into contact with Angel Rodríguez.
Angel has been very supportive with both of us during this entire process. In fact, we did not know how to even begin. For one thing, he's very knowledgeable on the market here in Prince Edward Islands.
So we went into purchasing a home. However, our approach was very unorthodox in that we weren't here in Prince Edward Islands. We were back in Trinidad. So our entire procedure was done virtually.
Angel made the process very easy for us. He was accessible to us all the time, and he also was very engaging, and we appreciated that, having him there with us every step of the way.
Especially since we were extremely unfamiliar with the norms in Prince Edward Island and even the norms of purchasing a home. So all the answers that we required were given to us, and very clearly, and he explained anything that we were confused about.
The market here in Prince Edward Islands is very aggressive compared to back home. In one aspect of it, when you had to do multiple bids on a place, for instance, you needed to improve that purchasing price, and Angel really helped us every step of that way. We really appreciated his trustworthiness along the entire process. He was very transparent with us, and as someone purchasing from over a computer screen, there was no one else we could have found better than Angel. Well, our walkthrough virtually was one that was very interesting. Thank goodness Angel has the best technology that he was able to see all the little nooks and crannies in the house. Definitely we were able to see how many rooms it had, whether there was discoloration or not, the environment itself. And he was so, helpful that even at the end of the process, when we had to, provide some security to the home, he went out and got a lock for us. I'm so grateful that Angel was there every step of the way, because we physically couldn't.
He even got a list of lawyers for us, so we didn't have to contact lawyers personally or look for a lawyer. He gave us a list, and we chose from that list. Mm-hmm. And so that was successful as well. Mm-hmm. So when we made our offer and was successful, he continued to assist us. Our final walkthrough as well was done virtually, so that shows the amount of trust we have in Angel.
Definitely, it was a wonderful experience, and it goes to say, just as we're here today, that we highly recommend Angel and the 21st Century Realtors.